Hey guys, welcome to ND72's YouTube channel, and this is my CLK55. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Adam with ND72. This video is going to be a little bit different, more of like general knowledge of something I've never done before, and I wanted to try it because it's going to save me some cash and just, I feel more safe doing it by myself. So what we're going to do today is install this tire, which is a 205/50/17 on this RPF1 17-inch 7.5 tire. We're going to try to do it at home with just some simple tools, like literally what you got, a simple couple pry bars and some soap and cardboard, and we're going to try to do it just like that. So the fast reason why I want to try to do it like this, first of all, because the time it takes to go to get your tires put on at a tire shop usually is like not quick. It kills your day, and they charge you like 30 bucks, and then usually balancing and all that stuff. And with rims like this, so I took my other ones to go get them professionally installed, and they chipped them up, and then they were just like, oh no, that just sucks. They gave me like $20 back, but still it chipped on my brand new rims. At least this way, if I chip it up, it's on me, and I don't feel so bad about it. And it's just a challenge to see if I can actually do it. Because if you know, I go through tires pretty quickly, so sometimes it's easier to throw a set of tires on, and we'll have to go get it balanced after, but it'll still save me some money, save me some time. And it takes the worry out of them scratching it from installing a tire. So, we're going to start trying it and see if we get it done. So bam, after you do that for a little bit, you just keep working it around. And then you got the bead on there, and then you just take the cap off. And then it's easier if you pull the core out. So just pull the core out, but make sure you don't lose it. You get one of these cheap little core removal tools. This will just make it easier to set the bead. Try your hardest not to lose this core. And then just take your little, you can get a handy dandy, mine's just like a little Cobalt, what's called tire pump. I'm going to set it to just 40 PSI so it'll run and pop the bead. Oh yeah, don't forget to keep adding soap to push that bead out. My bad. Made it a little messy. So that wasn't that hard. The longest time it took was to set the bead with that little thing. And the last thing I do right before I throw it on the car is just check it for leaks. So it's very simple. Let's go take like a little, your soap. Spray the core mainly, because that's a lot of stuff it took out. Front, and then spray the back. So now the tires are all mounted on the rims. Drove it around pretty good. We didn't nick anything up or anything like that. And if you want to know the RPF ones, they go on my 2002 SLK 32 Mercedes. This is my, it's a V6 supercharger. If you want to know more about this, just, there's plenty of videos of it on my channel. There's a couple drag racing videos and stuff like that, but pretty quick car. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Maybe you guys learned a little bit about just putting the tires on. I'm probably going to start doing that more often with my cars. Just going to get a little bit more used to it and save myself a little bit of money. And that way, hopefully I don't mess up the rims. Because when other people mess up the rims, you get pretty pissed off. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, throw a comment down there. And if you want to know more about my cars, there's plenty of stuff on my Instagram and on my YouTube about my E55, my CLK 55, my SLK 32, so on and so forth. All right, see you guys later.